Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 GLB 250 4MATIC. This one's silver. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 221 horsepower and 258 pounds torque. This one does come with front and rear LED daytime running lights, 17-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in excellent condition. Black MB text interior, panorama sunroof. GLB 250 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set to all season and regular floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, power windows, power seats, memory seats, heated steering wheel. Got a touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, two 10.25 high resolution monitors for our instrument cluster and our media display, push start ignition, touchscreen media display, rear view backup camera. This one does come with our new MBUX system, which is Mercedes-Benz artificial intelligence. You can give it simple voice commands by saying, "Hey, my Mercedes. Hey, my Mercedes.
How may I help you?
Turn heated seats on."
I'm switching on the seat.
Simple as that. You're able to give it voice commands and it'll do so. We've got dual climate controls, wireless charging, USB ports, cup holders, touchpad for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLB has 3,236 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLB 250 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.